Hi guys, I wanted to show you this awesome pergola that I got. This is 12 by 18. It is a metal pergola that comes with a bug net, a rain tarp, and it is just awesome for entertaining. As you can see, it's got plenty of space. I've got a 4-person table in there now, but it could easily fit an 8, maybe even a 12-person table. I've got my grill in there, a nice pumpy chair. There's 3 hooks in the top that allow you to hang light or anything else. You could even do like a battery tower's fan. There's ventilation in the top, which is super nice for those hot summers. You get nice airstream, especially as you have the vents or the curtain closed. And it is just an overall great gathering space. Now there is a bit of assembly required. Everything comes disassembled, so you'll definitely want a couple of people to. So all in all, this took a couple of days for us to assemble. It did take a couple of people. You don't want to do this by yourself. It does come with materials or like holes in the bottom, so you can screw this down to a structure if you want it to be a permanent structure like ours is. We put a nice flooring down, and something that I love is that these curtains are all retractable, so you can either open and close them super easily. You know, you pull out both sides and zipper them up, and you can create a more private space, more gatherings. And the other good part is that these stay pretty low maintenance. If you have to clean them, just wipe them off with some warm water. You shouldn't have to, put these in the wash or anything. Just spot clean as you need to. So I really, really love this pergola. It's going to be so great for entertaining in all seasons. I love because with the solid roof, we can be out here rain or shine. And I hope that you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks.